You gonna show off your new outfit, Chloe girl? Show your shoes? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah. To see next fall. Check out the shoes. Dad got you those shoes. Check those out. Want to say anything? Want to say anything to the camera? Yeah? Is it your first day of school? No, Mom. That's silly. That's silly. Oh, mesmerized. You have to take Dad to work? You gonna take Dad to work? You gonna take Dad to work? Ready? Are you ready? You ready to go for a car ride?